Hi everybody, this is Danielle and welcome to my YouTube channel, Danielle Style TT News, where we deal with topics from business to style. If you believe that this information is valuable, please like and share this video. A well-known voice in the chutney music community, 68-year-old Budram Holas, has passed on Friday, 15th December. This happened after he had been ailing for a while. Security employee 48-year-old Larry Roberts was found passed in a pool at his La Romaine workplace. His employer went to check on him and found him in this unfortunate state. No FOUL play is suspected, but an examination will still be done. A vessel carrying Venezuelans SANK on Friday. One survivor was rescued by Trinidad and Tobago's inter-island ferry. A search is ongoing for others. 35-year-old Kesilon Martin was found pew-pewed at his Faizabad home on Saturday, which is today. 66-year-old Tuli Ganga of Carpachima was found passed at a Cunupia MASSAGE Parlour. An employee said they went to another room and when they returned, he was on the floor. Condolences go out to the family and friends of the deceased. Feel free to subscribe to Danielle Style TT News for vlogs, events, news, and lifestyle videos. Bye.